Okay, I'm back. Sorry, guys. Didn't mean for that to happen. So, I've got the eyeshadow. Now for the blush, I use Wet n Wild Ombre. And the brushes I use is a complexion buffer, Eco Tools. I love them. They're awesome, eco-friendly. Voila! Now, I did my eyebrows earlier. They are on fleek. So, I'm gonna kind of mess with the hair. Ooh, ooh, there we go. Next is the lipstick. This is my favorite one. It's a lip gloss, Mega Stick Wet n Wild. I dab. There we go. Final touch. The earrings. Boom. Boom. Ha. There we go. Not bad, not bad if I do say so myself. So y'all can see in the light. We got the eyebrows on fleek, we got the lashes, we got the foundation, we got the blush, and we got the lipstick, we got the earrings. We're all set. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And I'm sorry it had to be a two-parter. I love you guys. Smooches and hugs. Bye.